guys, so in this lesson we're going to be learning Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. Super easy song. We're just going to be keeping it very basic, nice beginner version today, just 2 chords. So yeah, let's get stuck into them chords. Okay guys, so we're going to start by learning the chords. This one's literally just got 2 chords that repeat the whole way through. We're going to play an F major 7 first, and that's second string up from the bottom, number 1, string above fret 2, string above that, fret 3, and we strum the bottom 4 strings. Just make sure you curl them fingers around so we're not muting any of the other strings. So it's the bottom 4, it's your F major 7, and then the other chord we're going to play is a G chord. That's second string down from the top, fret 2, top string fret 3, and bottom string 3. We strum all the strings. So I'm going to quickly go through them again. That was F major 7 and a G. And it literally just repeats them 2 chords in that order throughout the song. So it's worth just practicing them first, just making sure you can definitely change between the 2 chords. If you can do that, we'll move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Okay guys, so we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Great thing with this one is it literally just repeats throughout the entire song if we keep it super basic as a beginner version. Again, them chords were F, major 7, and G. Now let's grab that F chord. Now the strumming pattern we want down, down, up, up, down, up. Same on the G. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's put them together. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And it literally just repeats that throughout the entire song. So let's just do a couple of loops for you to play along with. Quick blast on one of the verses or the chorus. Here we go. So thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Some women, they will come and they will go. When just repeats that chord progression throughout the entire song through all the verses and all the choruses. Yeah, cool. Hope that's helped. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. Again, it's been a nice, super easy, fun one for me to teach, just 2 chords. Again, if it's helped in any way, shape or form, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.